Dear friends, imagine what if we lost in space? Then there are various factors affect our body like the air explodes out of your lungs, replaced by a chilling silence. Your skin tingles, an ominous prelude to the searing cold that creeps in, sucking the warmth from your body like a phantom thief. This is the immediate reality of being lost in space, a brutal cocktail of environmental extremes that would test the limits of any being. The first hurdle, and quite possibly the last, is the unforgiving vacuum. With no atmospheric pressure, the delicate balance of gases within your body goes haywire. Nitrogen bubbles erupt in your tissues, distending your skin and threatening to rupture your veins. Your blood, freed from the usual constraints, boils at a mere 98 degrees Fahrenheit. But the cold is only half the story. Depending on your trajectory, the relentless sun could bathe you in its merciless heat. Without the protective blanket of Earth's atmosphere, its radiation bombards your body with unfiltered fury. Sunburns become instant, blistering landscapes on your skin, while your internal organs cook from the inside out. If these weren't enough, space itself becomes a hazard. Micrometeoroids, tiny space rocks zipping by at astronomical speeds, could slam into you with the force of a bullet, pulverizing your body in an instant. Even the charged particles spewed out by the sun, the solar wind, also strike you. In this cosmic dance of life and death, survival wouldn't be measured in minutes, but in seconds. It's a gruesome symphony of boiling, freezing, and tearing, a stark reminder of the human body's fragility in the face of the universe's indifference. So stay tuned as we explore the true stories related to Lost in Space. While the idea of being utterly lost in space might seem like the stuff of science fiction, it's a chilling reality that is brushed against the edges of human space exploration. In 1965, Alexei Leonov, on the historic Voskhod 2 mission, became the first man to walk in space. However, a malfunction caused his suit to inflate, preventing him from re-entering the capsule. For agonizing minutes, Leonov maneuvered, slowly deflating his suit until he could squeeze back through the hatch. Had he not managed, he would have become the first human lost in the cosmic ocean. During the Apollo 13 mission, an explosion crippled the spacecraft, cutting them off from Earth and plunging them into a frigid silence. With limited power and dwindling resources, the crew battled fear and uncertainty, ultimately using their ingenuity to limp back to Earth. Their story, a testament to human resilience, also underlines the psychological vulnerability of space travel. As we reach further into the cosmos, venturing beyond Earth's orbit to Mars and beyond, understanding the psychological impact of isolation becomes crucial. Astronauts will need not only technical expertise but also robust mental health support to navigate the emotional landscapes of deep space. In the unyielding grip of space, death comes in a chilling variety of forms. Each path has its own gruesome symphony, a macabre dance between life and annihilation. For those lost in the void, there are no hospitals, no last goodbyes, just the cold embrace of the universe and the inevitable march towards oblivion. The quickest, and perhaps most merciful, end would be through suffocation. With no atmospheric pressure to force oxygen into your lungs, your last breaths would be short and shallow. Consciousness would fade within seconds, replaced by a suffocating darkness as your brain starved for oxygen. But for most, the end would be more agonizing. The sudden pressure drop would cause dissolved gases in your blood and tissues to bubble out. This decompression sickness, known as the bends, would bring excruciating pain, contorting your body and turning your veins into deadly highways for gas embolisms. Not all death in space is swift. If your trajectory happens to intersect with a celestial body, a different horror awaits. The intense gravitational pull could slingshot you towards a planet or asteroid, turning your body into a screaming meteor. The impact would be instantaneous. The question of how you would die in space offers no comfort, only a gruesome tapestry of potential endings. Yet, it's a crucial question, forcing us to confront the fragility of life in the face of the universes. Unlike Earth, with its microbial orchestra of decay, the void presents a radically different stage for decomposition. Here, the silence isn't just the absence of sound, but the absence of life itself. Your body, adrift in the cosmic desert. The first and most significant difference is the temperature. Where Earth offers a warm, moist cradle for decomposition, space chills your body to the bone. This frigid vacuum inhibits most bacterial activity, slowing down the decomposition process considerably. Instead of rapid putrefaction, your body would desiccate, becoming a mummified husk as the water in your tissue sublimates directly into vapor. But the cold isn't the only antagonist. The relentless sun, devoid of Earth's protective ozone layer, bombards your remains with ultraviolet radiation. The future of your body in space, then, is one of slow disintegration, a gruesome beauty in the dance between cosmic forces. It's a reminder that even death doesn't offer an escape from the universe's grand play. As we strive to reach further into the darkness, understanding this final chapter of the astronauts. The journey through the chilling realities of being lost in space ends here, but the questions it raises linger. How will we ensure the safety of future spacefarers? Can we mitigate the psychological toll of isolation? And, perhaps most hauntingly, will we ever discover the remains of a lost soul, wandering the cosmos as a ghostly echo of humanity's ambition? Thanks for watching the video.